Hello students, welcome to all of you. My name is Bhavika and I will teach you geography. In geography, we'll take up our first chapter, that is the Earth as a planet. So, in this chapter, we'll discuss about our planet Earth, its position in the solar system, some of the important things about the solar system and rest of the things. So let's start. So here are the quick facts about the Earth, planet Earth. The Earth is one of the 8 planets of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of a big spiral galaxy, that is the Milky Way, which is made up of billions of stars. The solar system consists of the Sun at the center and 8 major planets, their satellites, and countless asteroids orbiting around the Sun. Now, this word planet is derived from a Greek word meaning wanderers. The 8 planets in order of their distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You are able to see this solar system, the Sun here over here, and then in sequential order the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next, our planet Earth is called a unique planet. Now, what are the characters of planet Earth? Why this is called a unique planet? It is the densest planet in the solar system and largest of the solar system's 4 terrestrial planets, and it is the 5th largest planet in the solar family. So, the planets in the solar system are either formed by the solid material or they are formed by the gases present. So, out of the terrestrial planets, the Earth is the largest planet and it is having 71% of water, and due to this abundance of water it is also called a blue planet, and the presence of life is possible on the planet Earth because of this. Now there are different facts about Earth. The Earth was made 4.5 billion years ago by collision of the giant disc-shaped cloud of gas and dust that also formed the Sun. The Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. It has estimated mass of, so the Earth has estimated mass of 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilograms. Next is it rotates on its axis inclined at an angle of 66.5 degrees to the plane of orbital eclipse or 23.5 degrees from the vertical to it. It rotates on its axis from west to east. It rotates one time in 23 hours 56 minutes and 3 seconds. That constitutes a day, and for the convenience we denote it with 24 hours. Next is the Earth revolves around the Sun in elliptical orbit. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. The Earth's circumference is about 40,000 kilometers and its diameter is 12,756.8 kilometers across the equator and 12,713.8 kilometers across the poles. So that means across the equator it has a bulge. Next is its surface area is about 510 million square kilometer. It has one satellite, that is the Moon, which is about 3,84,403 kilometers away from it. So these were the facts about the Earth. Now there are realms of Earth in which we live. The Earth which we live, what are the essential elements of that Earth that constitutes the Earth? It has composed of 3 main parts, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Along with that there is a fourth domain which is called biosphere that constitutes all the living beings present on the Earth's surface. So here you are able to see this. Three realms of Earth: lithosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. And hydrosphere is there. Lithosphere is there, which is the land portion of the Earth. Like you know that we are living on the land. We are living on the continent. That continental part on which we can move easily, that is the land part, is called the lithosphere. Atmosphere is what you know as the blanket of air surrounding us. Hydrosphere is the portion of the earth covered by water, and biosphere is the domain covered by or occupied by the living beings, including all the living parts of life. So this is it for now. We'll be discussing about all the three domains in detail in the next lecture. Till then, you go through the lecture, revise it, and I'll be coming up soon with the next lecture based on the same. Till then, take care. Thank you.